Have you ever wanted to visit Hershey Gardens?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we have in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed out.
Now we're exploring the East Coast and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and share amazing adventures, just like this one.
If you haven't already, click subscribe and join the Younger Gang. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
All right, so let's go check out Hershey Gardens. Ooh, from the heat into the cool at Hershey Botanic Gardens, or Hershey Gardens. Hershey Gardens?
Hershey Gardens.
First impressions, how's this compared to the gardens, Queen Elizabeth Gardens in Canada? What do you see right here?
I don't know, I haven't seen anything.
How's it compared to Queen Elizabeth? I mean, everything's smaller.
Considerably smaller.
Yeah.
But very pretty.
Oh yeah,
very
absolutely
well
beautiful. Manicured to perfection.
Beautiful.
Maybe even
that
more.
Smells good.
I don't know, I was just comparing because that's the last garden we went to.
Smells like roses.
Does smell good. Can you smell it? We need smell-o-vision.
That's what you said at Queen Elizabeth too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's still true. Why does it smell like roses, babe?
Because roses.
What?
I found some rose petals.
Oh, what are you gonna do with those, huh?
I don't know.
You just thought they were pretty? Do they smell good? Let me smell. I can't really smell it. Can you? Okay. Hey, do you hear? You hear all the bugs? The buzz? What'd you find? Oh, found some more. Some more?
And I found an
acorn. Okay.
I want to keep all. Look at it.
Oh, what a pretty flower petal.
Look at me.
Happy bee month. Come find me at the letter B in the alphabet border. Bees are important pollinators that pollinate fruits and veggies that we eat every day. Just what I need. I found a sweet pillow area. I can just chill back and take a nap.
There's a frog right there. I'll get it.
Oh, sorry. It's silly.
Frog. There's frog. I see the frog. Yeah. I can touch it. I see some orange fish.
Kenzie, what's in here?
How do you open this?
It's right here.
Open it. Cool. Look, Daddy, look.
Whoa.
See, the tube is full of thousands of bees.
So that was the children's garden. Very pretty little area and the kids loved it. And now this is the fragrance garden. I just found one place that I've seen so far with shade and a breeze. It's great.
How do you do it? Look what Ansley did!
That's okay. She opened your acorn.
That's awesome!
It's awesome. So, we just went through the children's garden.
It's pretty cool.
They had frogs and little fish.
The kids freaked out because there were frogs and fish. They thought it was really cool.
Yeah, some really cool looking frogs too. And those are frogs, whereas they've been catching toads, right?
Yes.
In the RV park, so that's cool. And the frogs were really really neat looking too. They're really cool. And then it seemed like that whole little or that whole little pavilion or greenhouse was to like teach you how to do gardening sustainably or something. A lot of
So there are
information.
lots of different vegetables and fruits and stuff that they were growing in there. It's pretty cool. There's also a whole section out here that teaches you about where the cocoa plants grow and stuff like that.
Cool.
Kids are having fun.
Yes. The adults are getting hot.
It's a little toasty.
I wish I had something to drink right now that's cold and iced.
Nice.
Yeah.
Look what Andy found! He just picked up rocks and then finds them.
What?
Huh?
What was that?
What?
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 Huh?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
What did you just say?
Nothing.
About that tree?
I didn't say anything about that tree.
Oh, yeah, you did.
That tree has a lot of nuts.
That's not what you said. Wind of the Willows was one of my favorite books, so that's cool. River Bankers Banquet? Does it say River Bankers Feast? I gotta look now. River Bankers Picnic. These little blooms right here look like pine cones. And you get in close, and it's little blooms.
They may land on you, which is great. Take pictures, but don't touch them. And watch where you walk because they do land on the sidewalk. In the back, you'll see them still in their chrysalis.
Look at the one on my foot. Apparently the butterfly likes me. I don't think I can go anywhere now because I'm afraid it'll fall off and get hurt. How long does it take?
It takes an hour to dry its wings.
After what?
After being in a chrysalis.
Oh, cool.
They're on the side.
Haley, those things look like aliens. I'm about ready to get out of this humid room. Sweating buckets. You know what those are? He just told me.
Flowers.
It's a dishwashing sponge with Gatorade on the bottom. How many are there?
A zillion or so?
How many butterflies have you seen?
A zillion.
How many butterflies have you seen?
30,000.
Ask me how many butterflies I've seen.
How many butterflies have you seen?
A plethora. Would you say they have a plethora of butterflies?
A plethora.
I think they have a plethora of butterflies. What is a plethora, El Guapo?
I love you, but you're weird.
All right, we're ready to go.
These are cotton bolls. This is what they come out of. And then there's seeds in there. And then that's the cotton right there. So when they harvest the cotton, you've got to go through machines and stuff that'll take out the seeds and stuff like that before they can use the cotton.
So we had a good time today at Hershey Gardens.
It was fun. It's really pretty. The kids had a blast.
Figured, what'd you like?
Butterfly.
More energy. What did you like?
The butterfly.
I promise the kids did like the butterflies, even if they're too tired and hot to explain as much now. We're all kind of hot and tired.
Kinda toasty out today, but it was definitely worth coming out. It's beautiful gardens, a really cool butterfly display that shows the chrysalis, and they come out of the chrysalis and wait there and to dry off their wings and stuff like that.
That's
It's
really cool.
neat.
So now we've made our second trip to some gardens and shared our trip to Hershey Gardens with you. If you enjoyed today's video, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
And don't forget to hit subscribe to join our amazing community.
Also, I hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, going to Hershey Gardens, kind of a hot day, but having a blast and enjoying some butterflies and sharing it with you guys. That's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.